Welcome to Body Sculpt of New York, 6 Weeks to Fitness podcast, where we hope to inform, motivate, encourage, and inspire you towards living a healthier lifestyle. And now, here's your host, the president of Body Sculpt of New York, Vince Ferguson.
I'm your host, Vince Ferguson. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, for those of you who are used to listening to my audio podcast, you can now watch my show on our 6 Weeks of Fitness YouTube channel. And joining me today as my very first video guest is Carmen Carriker. She's a graduate of Fordham University's Alvin Ailey Bachelor of Fine Arts program. She is a professional dancer, a fitness instructor. She's an actress. She's an educator and creator of Crown Soul Yoga. And I am very pleased to have Carmen Carriker on my 6 Weeks of Fitness program. Carmen, how are you today?
I'm great. Thank you so much for introducing me. I'm happy to be here.
Now, you studied at the Fordham University's Alvin Ailey's Bachelor of Fine Arts program. How was that experience?
Wow. It's been a good 17 years since I graduated.
Wow.
I graduated in 04, I think, something like that. So when I was a part of the Alvin Ailey, and Alvin Ailey is one of the most or the largest African-American modern dance companies. And we were the guinea pigs of the program. So I was a part of the first graduating class as far as them having a joint program with Fordham University. So we were the first classes. So it was new to have professional dancers at Fordham taking liberal arts classes and then walking over to Ailey and having a full dance conservatory experience. So I had a very long day. I had 4 academic classes, and then I'd have 4 dance classes, and then I'd have rehearsals in the evening, and then I'd have a job working at the university. So 22 credit hours a semester, lots of hard work. If we started off with 20 students in our class, by the end of 4 years, there were 10 of us.
Really? Why?
Yeah, in my class specifically, because it's very demanding on the body. It's costly to live in New York. So coming from Michigan, moving here, not everyone could deal with the transition as well. And a lot of dancers found that, this is just too much on my body. So only the strong survive. So people think, okay, let me go do this BFA program. Yes, do the BFA program, but research it, make sure that it's something that works with you, because it's a very demanding program. So I'm glad that I went through it. So many connections, so many performance opportunities.
Yes.
Working with all of the major choreographers and having the opportunity to apprentice, to be a guest performer. So I'm so blessed and thankful, and to work with some of the company members, having taken class with Alvin Ailey dancers every day. Ballet class, modern class, African dance class, the conditioning classes, yoga, Pilates.
Really?
They were there. First and second company members were there with us. And then you had the PPS, the after school kids were in the building as well. And this was when Alvin Ailey was on 66 in Amsterdam. Now it's the larger building. So the larger building was not there in 2004. In the year 2000 when I joined, it wasn't until 4 years later that building was finished. So when I graduated, the institution that everyone knows of now, that's huge building, which
Yeah.
is called the Jones-Lyles building, which is named after the person that funded it, wasn't there. It wasn't there yet.
Wow.
So all the hard work that all of the students and teachers and everyone, the Ailey family, all the hard work that we did contributed to continuing the legacy of Alvin Ailey, having that large institution where people from all over the world are coming to learn. So
Yes,
not an
amazing.
easy experience, but it definitely made me who I am. I'm a stronger dancer, a stronger, a more experienced teacher, have a lot of knowledge and information to share, and I have a lot of connections. You know, always have all of those dancers and teachers as support.
Carmen Carriker is more than just a professional dancer, actor, and yoga instructor. And later in the video, she shares her many years of experience by giving fitness and nutrition advice on how to achieve a healthy lifestyle in 6 weeks. You can watch the full video on our 6 Weeks of Fitness YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you'd like to see more videos like these, please don't forget to share and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes.